Hello students, welcome to our channel. So in the last video we have discussed about the overview of the chapter chemical reactions and equations. So today we are going to discuss about the NCERT solution in the first chapter chemical reactions and equations. Okay, so here the first question, if you see your page number 6 in your textbook, when you see this video, you keep your textbook with you and the rough note, so it will be easy for you. Okay, the first question they have asked, why should a magnesium ribbon can be cleaned before burning in air? It's a reasoning question. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? So here uh, we should know all the terms. Actually இங்கே என்ன ஏர்னு எதை சொல்கிறாங்க, என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்கக்கூடிய மெட்டல் என்ன, அதோடைய சிம்பல் என்ன, வேலன்ஸ் என்ன, everything we have to know to write the equation. Okay, first here, this is the reasoning question. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? So what is the reason? Magnesium ribbon, if you keep the magnesium ribbon in the atmosphere for a long time without usage, what will happen? What is present in the atmosphere? Oxygen. So that oxygen will deposit on the magnesium ribbon. Okay, so that is what, before burning in air, the magnesium ribbon should be cleaned. Okay, so magnesium gets answered. Look at that. Magnesium gets covered with a layer of magnesium oxide when kept in air for a long time. This layer. So what is the reason? Okay, let it be that the layer forms. So if the formation of layer which hinder, okay, the burning of magnesium, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிராக்கர்ஸில் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அப்புறம் அந்த ஊதுபத்தி திரி அதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அது நமத்து போயிருந்ததுன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? கரெக்டாக it will not burn, it will not easily catch the fire. That is the reason it should be cleaned. இதான் இந்த கொஸ்டினோட மீனிங். ஓகேவா? So look at that. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? So how will you write the equation for this question? So magnesium, can take this as Mg, magnesium, plus air. What is the meaning of air here? It is the oxygen. So when magnesium reacts with the oxygen, it forms the layer of magnesium oxide. So what is the formula for magnesium oxide? MgO. Okay, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Okay, when you balance the equation, so look at this, the left side magnesium and the right hand side magnesium is there. When you see the oxygen here, 2 atoms of oxygen, because oxygen is a diatomic molecule. Okay, and here only 1 oxygen, so you have to add here 2 magnesium oxide, and here 2 magnesium is there in the right hand side, and if you see the left side only 1 magnesium, so you have to add 2 here. Now look at the equation, it is completely balanced. Write a balanced chemical equation with state symbols for the following reactions. Okay, they have given the word, they have given in the sentence. Okay, so you have to pick and write the reactants as well as the product. Okay, so before practicing to write the chemical equation, you first write the word equation, then you can convert into the chemical equation. Okay, so first, solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Okay, first you have to understand the question. Barium chloride, it is in the state of solution. So the barium chloride is mixed with the water, so aqueous stage. So next, sodium sulfate, that is also in the aqueous state. In water react to give, that is the product, insoluble barium sulfate. So which is not the product, which is not soluble in the water. So how will it be? It is a solid. Okay, if it is not mixed with the water. If it is not soluble in water, it is a solid. And the solution of sodium chloride, again it's the aqueous solution. எதுக்காக இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம வந்து aqueous solution, solid இதெல்லாம் நம்ம stress பண்றோம்? Look at the question. Write a balanced chemical equation with the state symbols. With the state என்னென்ன ஸ்டேட்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம்? Solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Okay, so here the first equation I have written here, the word formula, solutions of barium chloride. Okay, barium chloride when reacts with the solution of sodium sulfate gives barium sulfate, insoluble barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Now we are going to write the equation, chemical equation. Okay, so what is the formula for barium chloride? BaCl2. In which state is this? They have given in the question itself, solution. So it is the aqueous. Okay, AQ you have to write. Next, barium chloride when reacts with the sodium sulfate, it is also in the solution state. So aqueous, AQ. To give barium sulfate, what is the formula for barium sulfate? BaSO4 plus sodium chloride. Okay, NaCl, sodium chloride. Now you have to balance this equation. How will you balance the equation? So you have to look the what are the elements are there, and you have to check that number of atoms in the both side, left hand side as well as the right hand side. Look at the first equation, BaCl2. So Ba is here 1 and right side Ba is 1. Okay, and the next chlorine here 2. Okay, Cl2 and here Cl. First you write only the equation because it is the balanced equation. Barium chloride, how will you write? BaCl2 plus sodium sulfate. What is the formula for sodium sulfate? Na2SO4 gives barium sulfate, BaSO4, barium sulfate plus sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, first step you have to write this. Next, you have to mention the state symbols. So here aqueous, and here also it's aqueous stage, and it's the insoluble salt. So here solid state and here aqueous state. Okay, now we are going to balance this equation. So BaCl2, look at the left hand side. How will you balance this equation? So barium here 1 and the right side also 1. It is balanced. Look at the chlorine atoms in the left hand side. 2 chlorine atoms. Here only 1 chlorine atom. So which is the least number, whether it is in the left hand side or right hand side? Right hand side. So here only 1 chlorine atom. To make it into the 2, you have to multiply with the 2. And here you should not write this 2. Have to write the 2 here. Okay, so BaCl2. Now barium chloride is balanced. Okay, next Na2. Here 2 Na is here. Here also 2 Na. And sodium is balanced. Next, sulfur is 1 here. Here also sulfur is 1. Oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 4. So now this equation is balanced. Okay, so you try the second one. Sodium hydroxide solution reacts with the hydrochloric acid to produce sodium chloride solution and water. Okay, you try out as like this. First you write the word equation, then you try to write the second step, the chemical equation, and the third step you have to balance the equation. Okay, okay students, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.